Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. If you still not subscribe our channel, please do it now. Also press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Today I have a Porsche Macan 2018 model car. I'm going to show you how to do rear brake pad of this car. Basically this vehicle has a electric parking brake. We need a diagnostic tool to rewind the caliper or set up as a working mode. I'm going to use it Mac Tools American brand. I have a Snap-on also well, but I'm going to use this computer for this job. If this is little bit expensive one, but if you want you can find out some cheaper diagnostic tools from eBay or Amazon, but make sure before you buy it it's supported to this vehicle. Okay, stay with me. I'm going to show you step by step how to release electric parking brake. Do the job. Thank you. I'm going to start the car. Start the car. It said change brake pad. Service also due for this car. Today I'm not going to show you how to do the service. You can take a good idea how to change electric parking brake of this car. First of all, we need to connect the computer. Computer already connected with the car. If you need find out where's the OBD2 connector location, please follow this link. Before start the job, make sure release the parking brake. Now it's on. This red color indicator mean it's on. We need to release this one. Just press down once. Now parking brake release. After that, need to switch off the car. Just ignition on. Once you do this step, you need to go to the computer. Special function. Go to the brake reset. Okay. After that, you need to select the vehicle. Sorry. Push. Select this one. Ignition on. Yes, it's ignition on. Press OK. This is the VIN number. I'll already check the VIN number. It's tally with this car. Then press OK. Manual select. Macan. I'm going to work with the Macan. Go to the special function. Okay. Rear brake pad replacement. I need to go to the rear brake pad replacement. Okay. Now you can hear as it is brake pad caliper activated. Mean it's ready for the replacing brake pad. Then after that, I'm going to leave it computer as it is and switch off the ignition. Key leave it in, and I'm going to, now you can see as it is your parking brake light blinking. That means it's ready for work. I'm going to leave it everything as it is inside, switch off the ignition, and I'm going to work as a normal brake pad replacement. Need to jack up the car. This is special polymer coating socket. Better to use it like this socket for like that alloy wheel. It can preventing any damage for the alloy wheel. Wheel little bit seize up. This is the way I'm going to use in remove the tire, using my foot for kicking off. If you have a rubber hammer, then you can use it rubber hammer to take out the tire. I'm going to remove brake pad via sensor. You can see as it is, this is shiny bit. That shiny bit mean pad sensor wire damage, that's why it's bit shiny. I'm going to replace brake pad and via sensor same time. Also I'm going to press in caliper now. Next step, need to remove caliper holding bolts. Inside nut spinning, I'm going to use lock flyer like this. Same way I had to do top bolt. Now I can remove caliper and I'm going to leave it in safer place. Going to remove all pads. This is all pads. Need to clean that surface. If you not clean it properly, sometime you ending with seize up brake pad or uneven wear brake pads. Because of that, make sure clean that area properly. This pad need to install inside the disc like this. Outside pad doesn't have a hole like that, because inside one there is a hole for the brake pad wear sensor. I'm going to apply little bit copper grease edge of the pad. Inside pad also need to do same way. Don't going to apply too much copper grease. Going to reinstall caliper. Retight caliper bolt. Oops, ratchet broken. I'm going to use its spanner now. Middle nut spinning. I'm going to using lock flyer, hold it like this. Next step, need to reinstall new brake pad via sensor. Going to remove all via sensor from the connector. Clip in new sensor. This is connector holding bracket. Clip to the bracket and twist the connector. It will lock. This part going to be middle hole. Now it will lock, it won't come out. Already installed brake pad. Now I need to tire back and lower the jack. I already done the both side brake pads. Now I need to go inside the car. Once you've done the brake pads, you have to follow the computer instruction and close the caliper. I already done. Then once I done, I'll press end assembly position. Then after that it's reset fine. Now you can see parking brake operate as it is, and also no any warning message at the dashboard. All fine now. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Also, if you not subscribe our channel yet, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. See you with another video.